Based on our experience from industry trade fairs and everyday work with clients, we analyze how to communicate product knowledge in the most effective way. Our goal is to create clear, engaging, and trust-building content that genuinely supports clients in their investment decisions. Slide 1. 1. The standard practice after a sales meeting is to hand the client a product catalog. However, our conversations with customers show a simple truth: catalogs are rarely read from beginning to end. In most cases, a client spends only about 1 minute reviewing them. Why? Because the traditional format is tiring and requires significant cognitive effort. In short, the client is left alone with data that must be slowly analyzed and understood without our direct support. Slide 2. After the 2025 trade fairs, we set ourselves a clear goal: to reduce the information burden on the client. We created a video presentation where we explain our catalog page by page. What did we discover? For our sales team, it was an excellent solution. We gained a complete knowledge base that can be easily verified and used for training. However, we must be realistic. For the client, this means more than 1 hour of material. In today's world, 1 hour of focus on a technical description is often a barrier that is difficult to overcome. It still required too much engagement from the viewer. Slide 3. Slide 3. This is where we reach the key point. The result of our analysis is an interactive presentation that changes the way we communicate. We combine solid data from the catalog with 3D animations and dynamic visuals. Instead of asking the client to watch a 1-hour lecture, we provide the essence. It is a format that is easy to follow and visually engaging. Where a traditional catalog required effort similar to studying in a classroom, our presentation creates emotion and delivers knowledge in a natural way. The client no longer needs to analyze, they simply experience our products. Slide 3A. Our catalog contains high-quality graphics illustrating how the devices operate and how they integrate with an existing energy system. The next step is to bring this content to life through animation, which presents the operation of the entire system over time in a clear and intuitive way. AAA. In the animation example, changing energy prices throughout the day are shown on a chart. At the same time, the production of energy from the photovoltaic installation during sunlight hours. The production of energy from the photovoltaic installation during sunlight hours is displayed, together with the process of storing excess energy in batteries. In the final phase of the animation, the consumption of the stored energy during periods of increased demand is presented. Slide 3B. A product presentation based on catalog graphics and descriptions is clear and understandable. However, it can be significantly strengthened by using authentic video material. Materials. Within the mixed content, a real company employee can present key components of the device directly on the actual product, showing its structure and how it works. This approach Approach increases the authenticity of the message, reduces the distance between the company and the client, and strengthens the sense of credibility. A natural extension of the presentation is showing a real, installed, and operating product, which allows the client to see the solution in its real working environment. Slide 3C. The most important element of the entire sales process is credibility and trust. The offered products are designed to operate for up to 15 years, while the provided warranty covers a period of up to 5 years. Clients increasingly understand that a declared warranty has real value only when it is supported by strong organizational and financial foundations of the company. The catalog includes references to certificates confirming current product quality, as well as information about transparency resulting from published stock exchange reports and over 20 years of company history. The graphics presented there are clear and easy to understand, however, they can be further strengthened with video materials. Adding recordings that show certificates at the company headquarters, the company building, and real production lines allows the client to see the scale of operations and provides real confirmation of the declared quality and brand credibility. Star